Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use songs from Soundcloud as your ringtone on iPhone. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into App Store on your iPhone and you're going to search for GarageBand. So you simply want to type in GarageBand. Once you have found GarageBand, you're going to download the app. And you're also going to download the app below GarageBand, the app that you see by the name of Ringtone Maker. You need to download both apps, both GarageBand and also Ringtone Maker app right here. After downloading both apps, you are going to close out of App Store and you are going to go into Soundcloud. So let's go into Soundcloud. And from here, you want to select the song that you are going to use as your ringtone. And you're going to simply screen record while the song is playing. And if you don't have screen record on your iPhone, what I would recommend you do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and come down to Control Center. And you're going to scroll down, and right where you see the green circles, you're going to see screen recording. You'll simply tap on it and that will add screen recording to your control center, as you can see right here. And then you'll close out of settings, go back into SoundCloud as I said earlier, and you'll simply screen record the song or the part of the song that you want to set as your ringtone. After doing that, you will close out of SoundCloud and you're going to go into Ringtone Maker, which is one of the apps that you had downloaded earlier. And once in Ringtone Maker, you are going to tap on right where you see the plus right here. Then you are going to tap on Import from Video. And you would simply tap on the audio that you want to add. And after tapping on the audio, you are going to tap on Make right below the audio name. Then you are going to select GarageBand. And from here you will see the audio. Then you are going to tap on the audio. Once you have tapped on the audio, it's going to open up on this page. And you are going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner right below the settings cog. And you want to carry the bars up to 30 bars. So you are going to carry it up to 30. Then tap on Done. Then you are going to tap on the arrow pointing down in the top left hand corner. Select My Songs. Once it has been saved, you are going to have a long press on the audio. Then select Share. And from here, you are going to tap on Ringtone. Then you can add a name to the audio. Then you are going to select Export in the top right hand corner. And you can see the audio is being exported. Once it has been exported, you are going to tap on Use Sound As. Then you'll simply select Standard Ringtone, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use any song of SoundCloud as your ringtone on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative.